It's Wednesday, June 7th. This is the Daily Market Comment by Harala Muspisuros. I'm Cristina Marujos, and thank you for joining us at xm.com. The US dollar traded mixed against the other major currencies on Tuesday, gaining some ground against the euro, the yen, and the Swiss franc, and underperforming versus the Aussie, the Kiwi, and the Loonie. The greenback traded virtually unchanged against the pound. Investors continued adding to their bets of a potential pause at next week's FOMC decision, with the probability of no action now resting at 80%. A July hike is not a done deal either. While conditional upon a summer hike, investors are anticipating more than 2 quarter-point cuts by January. On Monday, the ISM non-manufacturing PMI pointed to economic stagnation during the month of May, which came to add to speculation that inflation may slow faster than previously anticipated. The last big test for the US dollar ahead of next Wednesday's FOMC decision is likely to be Tuesday's inflation numbers. If the report reveals a slowdown in both the headline and core terms, dollar traders may doubt even further whether a summer hike will materialize, which could hurt the dollar. The euro was the currency that lost the most ground against the dollar yesterday, perhaps after a European Central Bank survey revealed that Eurozone consumers lowered their inflation expectations, and as ECB policymaker Klaas Knot, an outspoken hawk, said that although inflation may prove difficult to tame, monetary policy is showing signs of effectiveness and further rate hikes must be done step by step. However, the market is fully pricing in a hike at the upcoming gathering, while it anticipates another one before officials take the sidelines. The Aussie was the main gainer, rallying after the Reserve Bank of Australia stunned the markets with another 25 basis points hike and said that further tightening may still be required. Following the RBA decision, the probability of a Bank of Canada hike today went up to 50%. If Bank of Canada policymakers decide to stay sidelined but stick to their guns that they remain prepared to hike more if needed, the loonie is likely to slide, but not much. For a sustained tumble, officials may need to signal the end of this tightening crusade. Wall Street enjoyed another day of gains, with the Nasdaq once again being the front runner. The Nasdaq is more than 40% up from its October lows, not posting a decent correction since mid-March. Therefore, the risks of a corrective setback seem to be increasing, especially with a potential liquidity squeeze from Treasury issuance looming. Thank you for watching the Daily Market Comment here at xm.com.